balance with the right ratio of nutrients, with the right calories, will help keep your body energized and help you lose weight. Plus exercise fuels the growth of lean muscle mass, which boosts metabolic rate. 12 Healthy Weight Loss Snack. 1. Adds a sprinkle of nuts to protein-rich fat-free yogurt for some satiating healthy fats. A small handful of berries or another chopped fruit will add texture and sweetness, plus filling fiber. 2. Almonds. Nuts are a great healthy snack. And even though they're high in fat, you don't need to avoid them if you're trying to lose weight. 3. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is a portable, healthy snack. Eating fruit helps with weight loss because it's packed with filling fiber and important vitamins and minerals. Look for fruit with no sugar or sweeteners added and pair dried fruit with nuts for a snack with a balance of healthy carbs and protein. 4. Shrimp stack. You may not think of shellfish as a grab-and-go snack food, but you can put this tasty treat together in a flash if you keep pre-cooked shrimp on hand. With Greek yogurt and avocado, it's a protein powerhouse with 9 grams per serving, and 4 grams fiber, for only 129 calories. 5. Oatmeal and blueberries. Oats aren't just for breakfast, they're good anytime you need a hearty treat. Full of fiber, they help regulate blood sugar levels to keep you from crashing. Meanwhile, blueberries add a kick of sweetness and vitamin C, without any table sugar. 6. Pear slices with almond butter. Pair your pear with a tablespoon of almond butter for the perfect carb and protein combination. 7. Spiced green tea smoothie. Spiced green tea smoothie. Some research has shown that an active ingredient in green tea, e.g. CG, may help you shed pounds. But when it comes to snacking, a cup of tea isn't likely to quell your appetite. For a more filling option that still reaps all the fat-burning benefits of green tea, try this spiced smoothie. It contains a tasty blend of chilled green tea, lemon juice, agave, pear, plain yogurt, and a pinch of cayenne for some extra metabolism-boosting power. 8. Oven-baked zucchini chips. Salty, crispy chips are delicious, but a bag from the store is usually full of junk. Make your own version with this baked zucchini chips recipe that's a mere 99 calories a serving. 9. Baked Parmesan butternut chips. This healthy chip recipe will satisfy your craving for a salty crunch without ruining your weight loss goals. It features a combination of delicious butternut squash, parmesan, and cayenne pepper. 10. Baked apple chips. Skip the vending machine and opt for these crunchy, sweet chips that have a mere 32 calories per serving. 11. Baked onion rings. Can you believe onion rings make this list of best snacks for weight loss? Well, given that these baked onion rings only have 115 calories per serving, you sure can. They taste so indulgent, but they're perfect for your weight loss goals. 12. Avocado dip. Avocado is the perfect fruit to make a dip out of, as it's so creamy, filled with healthy fats, and incredibly satisfying. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.